Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Fawn Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw a curve on the left side here. And then a curve on the right to close it off. Now on top of the nose, let's draw a curve up, and then curve it over to the right, and we're going to stop here to leave room for the ear. Let's draw the eye next. Next to the nose, let's draw a curve up and over to the right like this. Now at the end, let's angle it down. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. And now inside, let's draw a large circle for the eye. Now let's draw the left eye on the side with a curve here. Now let's color both eyes in black. Let's draw the ear next. On the top right of the eye, let's leave a gap, and then we're going to draw a curve up to the head and over to the right like this. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve down to the right, and then one more angle down. Now let's close off the ear with an S curve like this. Now let's draw the inside of the ear with a large teardrop shape. Next, let's close off the bottom of the head. Starting underneath the nose, let's draw a curve down to the right and then back up to the ear. Now on the left side, under the nose, we're going to draw one more curve like this. Next, let's draw the antlers. Above the right eye, let's draw a curve here. And then above it, let's draw a large curved V shape for the antler. And now let's draw another antler piece coming out on the right side. Now let's erase any of the overlapping lines like this. Now let's draw the left antler. On the top left of the head, let's draw a curved V shape. And then another one to the left. Now to the right of this antler, let's draw the other ear with the curve up and then back down. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. On the right side of the head, under the ear, let's draw a curve out and then back down. Now let's hop over to the left under the head, and we're going to draw a curve down and over to the other line. Now inside, start under the head, and we're going to draw another curve down and over to the right side of the body. Next, on the top of the body, let's draw some spots. Next, let's draw the tail. From the top right of the body, let's draw a curve up and out. And now curve it down and then back in. Let's draw the feet next. Underneath the center of the body, let's draw a curve up and over. Now from the bottom right, let's curve it in. Now close off the gap with a V shape up. Now inside from the left, let's draw a small angle. Now let's draw 3 more feet in the same way. And that's it for this cute fawn. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!